Hey, Humberto Gomez here. Today I'm going to introduce to you our new listing on 701 Homer Watson, Unit 53. Come, let me show you the inside. You're going to love it. Come with me. We go there. Let me show you the rec room area. Here. You could rent this area if you need the extra income. From here you have access to the garage. Here, that's the door to the garage, and also you have access to the backyard. It's nice, quiet, low maintenance. Very good. Now let's go now to the upper level. As you can see, a very open concept, very bright, a lot of natural light, and very open. From here, you have a dining area, and here's the kitchen. Okay, there's a stainless steel appliances, a granite countertop, and it looks really nice. And from here, you have a view to the backyard as well. Very nice and private, and as you can see, it's very quiet. In here we have a powder room, yeah. Two-piece washroom. Let's go now to the bedrooms area. See, you can see all the natural light that is in here. Very bright. Turn the light off on anyways. It's a very good size master bedroom, and you have a lot of space here in the closet, the walk-in closet. Here you have the washroom. See, there's the sink, and there is a sliding door. If there is a need someone to use the washroom while someone is brushing their teeth, you can do that. Now there are the other two bedrooms here. Very good size. As you can see, it's a lot of natural light in here. And here is the third bedroom. And in here you have the washing machine and dryer, so you don't have to carry your laundry to the basement. Now let's go to the basement. Before we go there, allow me to show you the closet. It's here for the coats. Here. And here we have the basement. Let's go there. And here you have a closet and something. This is fully finished. And here you have a three-piece washroom. Okay. You have a full washroom in the basement, so you shouldn't have fights over who takes a shower first. And here is a room for you to watch TV or just relax or play games. Bring the friends so they don't disturb the rest of the family. As you could see, this is a great opportunity for first-time home buyers and for investors. Check out our schedule for the open houses or contact us to book a private showing. We look forward to hearing from you soon. All the best.